can't believe we got caught. Hey! Mask off! Wow, such an attitude. You could say please. Happy. Remember to get my good side. No contraband in jail, so I'll just take all of this makeup. No! Anything but that! No! Please, think about what you're doing! As if things could get any worse. No makeup?
Hello, dear. Can you clear a space?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thanks. I'm here to see Sophia.
Uh-huh. Got it.
Just let me give the little one a quick feed.
Oh no! It's peeing on me!
Bullseye.
This is so gross! Make it stop! I'm gonna puke!
That worked perfectly. Apple juice. Okay, let's go. Yoo-hoo! Hey, come on.
You came to visit! Yes!
And I have a surprise. Who's the cutest baby?
She's gone crazy. Why do you have a doll?
The doll is a decoy. Look in the basket.
No way! Makeup!
Try this. It's such a great color.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Can I take some? Thank you! I've needed this! I don't wanna go to school, Mommy. Wake up! No sleeping on cell block 1, 2, 3! What? Wake up! Time to get up! Move! Wow, she's mean. What's she doing?
Another busy morning.
I think I'll do my makeup. That's just rubbing it in.
Oh, this is pretty. I need to look good.
What's going on in here?
Nothing. Honest. I'm, doing paperwork.
Don't you need paper? Okay, something's not right, but whatever.
See ya!
That was too close! Where's my nightstick? Oh, that gives me an idea! Time for a nap. I'm so tired. Did you say nap? Wake up! No sleeping! Come on! Don't make me come in there! Now's my chance! It worked! I feel so glamorous! Where? What? You tricked me! Don't try that again!
Don't try that again.
Bang! The work of a law enforcer never stops. Clownogram! I'm here to deliver this birthday cake to Cheryl! But first a slice for you! Me? Don't mind if I do. I can't wait to eat this. Thanks, creepy clown. Sure! I'll just be on my way! Happy birthday! Hey, it's me! See? The wig suits you! But it's my birthday, so give me the cake! Now for a birthday wish. I hope it comes true. Maybe some makeup? Just like this. Thanks! Just what I needed! There's a cute prisoner I'm crushing on, so this is great. How do I look? I feel so pretty! This is the best birthday present! Happy birthday! Bye! Whoa! I did not expect that. Makeup! Yes! And I get cake. Everyone's happy. This is hard work. I'll just close my eyes for a second. Like clockwork. Now's my chance. This toilet phone is so handy.
Hello? It's me. Hello?
Is someone there?
Hello? Poop?
It's me, Cheryl. You need to help me. I need a nail file. Like right now. I've gotcha. Bye-bye. And now for part 2 of the plan. Time to get to work. Oh, got it! Good, she's still asleep. No problem, Mr. Mayor. I'm gotta be quiet. Please don't wake up. Out of my way, superhero. If this works, I'm a genius! This always works in the movies. Wow, that was easy. Now for this bar. What's all that noise? Who woke me up? What? Just another boring day in jail. She's totally buying it. I better call this in. I heard there's a cell needing repaired. Now that's good service. Look at that cell. It's ruined. We can't have any prisoners escaping. Where did he go? He's good. Let's see what we're working with here. I see the problem. My work here is done. Wow, that was fast. Where did he go? Was he a ghost? Yes, the coast is clear! I'll just slip this off. Ooh, my favorite shade! That's more like it. This plan worked exactly as planned. I'll put this back. Let's see what this is. Awesome! Mascara! And it's a great color, too. That should do it. I better hide the evidence before the guard comes back. And now to look innocent. Enjoy. Next. One bowl of slop, please. As my mom's recipe. A family secret. She must be a great cook. Yuck. There you go. I recommend the salt and pepper. Great advice. Thanks. Trust me. I'm in disguise. I totally didn't recognize you. Be cool. Hey chef, got a joke for ya. What do you call fake spaghetti? An impasta. Get it? Hi. Oh well, suppose I better eat it. Ouch, my teeth. What's in this sandwich? Huh? Tell me another joke. So, this tomato walks into a bar. This is amazing! And the tomato says, "What do you mean you don't serve food?" Classic. If the guard catches you, you'll be in trouble. Just keep it quiet. Try this. If you think you can buy my silence, you'd be absolutely right. I've missed makeup so much. This is great. Be quiet. How do I look? Wow, so pretty! I know. I guess I better eat something. Ugh, this is the worst. I'll add some seasoning. That's not salt and pepper. It's glitter! Whoa! This would look great on me! It feels so good! I feel like a princess! I'm a regular comedian. Hold on. Stop right there! We've got contraband in the mess hall! Totally worth it. Jail would suck. But with no makeup, come on, that's just cruel. What lengths would you go to sneak makeup in? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.